Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I've got the tackiest Christmas look for you ever. It is over the top. The last Christmas look I did for you guys was very glamorous, very pretty. It was not over the top dramatic. You can wear it the rest of the year round. So I decided I wanted to change it up a bit today. Since I am so into the holidays and just loving the season, I just really wanted to do a look that was just so Christmassy, over the top, dramatic, ridiculous, and that is what I did today. We went all out with the colors. We did green lipstick, which is pretty strange, but honestly, it works. It looks great with a tacky Christmas sweater. I'm gonna show you guys how I did this and what products I used to do so, and we are gonna dive straight into this look. Alright, so my eyelids are already primed using the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I already applied a base beige color just to get it all ready to go, and we're just gonna dive straight into this look. So as always, I'm taking Scotch tape because I like to cheat, and also because my hand is really shaky and I cannot draw a straight line to save my life. Scotch tape is in place, ready to go. So I am taking the Sugar Pill 4-color palette here that is called Burning Heart. Just gonna be taking this color here called Love Plus. It is the perfect red for all your Christmas looks. It is also perfect for gothic looks. And a fluffy blending brush. Take a little bit of product to start. We're just gonna go all along the crease here. Now I'm taking the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette, taking the color called Fetish. We're just going to go right along the crease with it. I'm going back in with a bit more of that Sugar Pill Red just to brighten it. Now we are going to cut the crease, and the concealer I used to do so is the Makeup Forever Full Coverage Concealer. It is my absolute favorite concealer, and a concealer brush. Put a little bit of product directly onto the brush. I'm going to be adding a thin second layer just to intensify it a bit more, especially along the edges. Now I'm taking this Sugar Pill single shadow called Acid Berry, and I'm just going to be putting it all over the lid. Now it is time for glitter. The glitter I'm using today is also by Sin Cosmetics, as always. Same one I use in every video. This color is called Savage. It's a beautiful green. It matches my dress perfectly, and I'm excited to use it. It is not nearly close to this color. I just needed a base color, and this one was good enough. But first, we have to apply the adhesive using the ELF glitter adhesive. Now for eyeliner, I'm taking the Bobbi Brown waterproof gel eyeliner and an angled brush. Alright, so this is what we've got right now. It looks a little rough. We've got some cleaning up to do for sure. Now it is time for mascara using the Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara. Now it is time for false lashes. I'm using the Hypnoti Power falsies. I think these ones are called Sugar Babe or Rich Bitch. I'm not sure. I have so many pairs with them at this point. I don't even know. And I use the House of Lashes adhesive. I apply a nice even layer of glue along the strip, and then I put them back on the tray that they came in and allow them to get tacky for about a minute. While I leave these to sit, I'm just gonna go clean out the excess green glitter that fell into my tear ducts. I'm just gonna go wipe that off and I'll be right back. Alright, time to stick on the lashes. I'm just going to use a lash curler to blend the falsies into my natural lashes a bit better, just because the falsies look really straight and it looks funny. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face, and I'll be right back to show you how we do underneath the eye. Alright, the rest of my face is done. The lipstick I'm wearing today is Jeffree Star Cosmetics Holiday Collection in the color called Crocodile Tears. I was going to do red lipstick, but I decided to go for the green instead this time because I wear red lipstick all year round, and I don't actually get to break out the green very often because most of the time it kind of looks weird. Which sometimes I like to look weird, but I mean, like at my day job and everything, I can't wear this kind of stuff. Like I do, and then people are mean to me about it. So I normally wear red lipstick all throughout the year. I did in my last Christmas video. But for this video, I just decided to change it up and we went bold. We did green lip. I think it looks awesome. Now we are going to do the underneath part of the eye. Taking that fluffy blending brush and taking that red Sugar Pill Love Plus eyeshadow, going right along the bottom waterline, the lash line, whatever you want to call it, gradually adding more product as per usual. Never just start by packing it on unless we are using glitter. Now we're taking some of that Fetish color by Jeffree Star. Now I'm taking that Bobbi Brown gel eyeliner once more, and we're going to go inside the bottom waterline. This is the best eyeliner I've ever used in the waterline. It actually stays. Most of them don't. And it also does not cause any irritation to the eye. Watching someone put eyeliner in the bottom waterline is kind of freaky. I don't like looking at it. Now the bottom lashes are getting some mascara. Smashbox Full Exposure Mascara once again. We are taking this gold called Show. It is a Zin Cosmetics loose glitter. It's got little bits of other colors in it, like you can see some blue and silver in it, and it is so pretty. All right, for this, I'm just gonna take a Q-tip and some of that ELF adhesive. All right, we are just gonna go right in the inner corner with this. And there we have it, guys. This is our finished look. Tacky, Christmas, over the top ridiculous, but somehow still super pretty. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually loving this. I feel gorgeous with this. You can wear it to your Christmas parties. You know, when people say to wear an ugly Christmas sweater, well, I've got mine on right now. It says Merry Christmas, you filthy animal on it. And I hate the fit. I wish it was more like this, but I'm just gonna pin it when I wear it out. Okay, so when people say be tacky, upstage them all. Wear this look, go all out. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you decide to recreate this look, I would love to see it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook wherever you post it, because I would love to see it. And make sure you follow me while you're at it and we can stay connected. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you have a fabulous holiday season. So we actually just got a brand new kitten the other day from the Humane Society. So now we have 3 rescued cats and a dog. Our house is like a zoo at this point. So I feel like we need to charge a $5 admission when people come to the door at our house so they can enter the petting zoo. It's ridiculous, but honestly, we just love the animals so much. And this little guy only weighs 1 pound, and his name is Eddie, after Van Halen, the guitarist. And I'm just gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of him because he's in the Christmas tree right now, which is so adorable and so cute. I'm gonna show you.